In this video, we're going to look at this Vibrant HD clamp alignment tool. You use this when you're setting up your aluminum ferrule halves with the proper gap between. It works really cool. Check it out. In the last product review video I did was on the Vibrant V-Band clamp assembly. You know, it was highlighting the T-bolt side of the bolt and the tightening portion and the quick release deal. So staying with Vibrant real quick, I was thinking about what to do for the next product review. Staying with Vibrant, this is also a Vibrant piece. This is their HD clamp alignment tool. I assume that means heavy duty clamp alignment tool. This is geared on the fabricator side. This thing is really cool. It's got the same feature. It has the quick release, has the T-bolt, has this knurled thumb screw to loosen and tighten. So what this does, when you're building your aluminum cold side with your ferrule halves, your aluminum stuff, this here, it's not important, but what this is, I just have this laying around. I grabbed this just for this video. This is a 3.5 inch side. So this would be, let's just say your, well, my old twin turbo setup had a 3.5 inch outlet on the turbo. So it could be whatever kind of scenario. Let's say 3.5 inch, you'd weld this to your turbo, the outlet side, and you want to transition it to 4 inch. So this is some Vibrant stuff, and they have all kinds of configurations for stuff like this. But so this is what you'd have, and you know, this stuff is designed to have some movement, and it has the sealing band that goes over the O-rings that ride inside these grooves that I don't have on here. It's not important, but this is designed to give this stuff a little bit of movement. These cars, they move around, stuff's not perfect. So this clamp is really cool. I've only recently acquired these clamps, I'd say within the last, less than 2 years probably. I do a lot of aluminum ferrule stuff with boosted cold side. And this deal, you look at the inside here, this portion of the clamp or the ferrule rides inside one side of this channel, and the other one, it's going to clamp inside here. And it's designed in a way, this portion between, if I remember right, it presets like 100 thousandths gap, and it's an even gap. I'm going to try to put this together while talking about it. I don't know if I can talk and put a clamp together at the same time, but this is really awesome. This would be a lot easier because you would already weld, let's say you would weld this to your turbo outlet. It would already be welded on, and then you want to put this 4 inch side, you want to hook it up, and you want to build from here. This thing's kicking my butt. You want to build from here to the throttle body, and this will hold. Oh, I got it. Okay, so it just takes a little bit of work to get everything in place. But so I showed them troughs. I got to keep this squeezed together. It'll fly apart. I need to pay attention to where it's at. So this is going to swing over. Okay, now I got it trapped. I can relax. Okay. So let's squeeze the knurled piece a little bit, tighten it up. So this, point inside here. Okay, see that gap there? That middle of the clamp I just showed you. This is, let's do this really good. Okay, I'm gonna take this outside and I'm pushing it all the way in. It's up against that middle bar, I guess the divider inside, and it's gonna be an even gap all the way around. There, it's pulled out. it still maintains an even gap. This is going to hold it, and you're going to tighten your knob however you like it. It's going to hold it there. This is awesome because these things are designed to have a little movement, and you don't want to put the things, like if you didn't have this clamp, you don't want to put the pieces together, just push them flush up there, weld your stuff, and then you really lose your mobility on your flex that this stuff is designed for. And then it's got the band, or the big band that goes around the outside. So this thing is cool because, one, it helps hold it for you while you build your tubing on where you need to go, and it provides a proper gap, and it's an even gap all the way around. So it gives you some flex and some room for movement. The way it's designed for, it's really an awesome extra hand to have. This is a Vibrant piece. They have these in 2.5. I'm looking at my cheat sheet here. 2 inch, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and 5. They do not have 4.5. So about every size you could want for putting together cold side stuff. So that's it for this. I really like this setup tool. I've got a couple of them. This is a 3.5. This is a 4 inch. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.